Hello YouTube, welcome to my video on how to disassemble and reassemble a VSR-10. I hope you all enjoyed this informative video. Now let's get to it. Step 1 is to remove any accessories from your rifle. An example of this would be a scope. Next you want to remove the 2 screws from the bottom.
Jack it up.
Now you can easily separate the barrel from the stock. The next step would be to remove the guard from the trigger. Now you can remove the spring guide stopper. Then you'll want to completely pull out your cylinder. Next you want to completely remove your stock trigger unit by unscrewing these 2 screws. To take apart your stock trigger unit, you'll want to remove these 5 screws. It is crucial that you do not lose any of the springs inside of this unit. The next step is to remove the outer barrel from the upper receiver. To get to your inner barrel, you'll want to remove these 3 screws. There are a total of 5 screws and 1 plastic piece that you'll need to remove to get inside of your hop-up unit. This is what your stock cylinder should look like. To take it apart, all you need to do is remove the cylinder head. Now we're ready for reassembly. This process is very simple. All you need to do is reverse the steps I showed you on how to disassemble the rifle. I show you exactly how to do this throughout the rest of the video, visually. As you can see, I never removed my 90-degree trigger from my gun, so just visualize replacing the stock trigger unit. The same thing goes for my cylinder. So that wraps up for reassembly. I hope this helped y'all. If you have any questions regarding any of the steps I showed you in the video, feel free to leave them down below and I'll make sure to answer them. On to another note, I recently made an Instagram for my channel. You can find me at x81_airsoft. Feel free to follow me if you'd like to see any additional content, including behind the scenes footage from my videos or any events that I go to. So that wraps it up for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, please let me know by either commenting, rating, or subscribing, and I'll see y'all next week.